Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. Leave us with your feedback and suggestion under the comment section below. And if you like us, give us a thumbs up. So today's unique recipe out of the box is a complete eggless red velvet moist, super moist cake with stabilized whipping cream. Have also posted a single video of whipping cream as how to make a stabilized whipping cream. Do check the description box below. So let us start with the ingredient list now. Red velvet cake, all you need is 300 grams of plain flour, 1/4 cup of butter, this is melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of food color, that is red food color, and 1 cup of condensed milk, a can of soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It's always better to grease the tray beforehand with 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of butter or oil. Here I'm adding melted salted butter. You can also opt for unsalted one. To this I'm adding the condensed milk. Let's cream the butter with the help of a hand whisk or an electric hand blender. The process would not take more than 2 minutes. As soon as there is a visible change in color, you need to stop blending them. To this now I'm adding the vanilla essence and whip it again. Please add the flour, baking soda and the baking powder together and whip them. Post you whip them, empty your soda can. The liquid soda should be transferred to a cup. This will help in making sure that there is not excess liquid added to the batter, and we can closely monitor or keep a tab onto the consistency. Make sure that you add the liquid soda into batches. Do not pour it instantly. Go slow by slow, step by step. So here I'm adding the liquid soda little by little so that I can keep a tab on the consistency and not overdo it. The batter shouldn't be too hard or too liquidy, just perfectly like a ribbon consistency. The flour and the liquid might create a bit mess around your workstation, but that's okay. End of the day, you would enjoy the cake and forget all the mess around. So just scrape off the edges and mix them. To this, now I'm adding the food color, around 1 tablespoon of red food color. In an electric blender, it wouldn't take more than 8 to 10 minutes, and if you're hand whisking it, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. This is in regards to the whole process. And here I've saved around 1/3 cup of the liquid soda. Kindly discard it and just use the cut and fold method at last to get the perfect consistency. And here it goes, the ribbon consistency have been formed. This is what we were looking for. Our cake batter is super moist and perfect. Tap it twice so that there is no air bubbles. Please don't forget to preheat your oven for 180 degree for 30 minutes. So my cake has been baked to perfect within 30 minutes. If you could see, the edges has been released. Perfect. This is a sign that the cake has been perfectly baked. Tap it and let it cool for 10 minutes. So my eggless cake has been demolded and let it cool down for good 10 to 15 minutes and let it come down to the room temperature. By the time my eggless cake comes down to the room temperature and settles down in, why not try and prepare a stabilized cream? There is a link provided in the description box also, a single video as how to stabilize a whipping cream. Here I'm adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is the dairy one, not the non-dairy one. You can also go for non-dairy, which I've been already posted a video. To this now I'm adding the caster sugar around half cup and start whipping for next 5 minutes. So here is the secret ingredient. This is the pure form of vanilla essence. So this powder around 2 teaspoons should be added to the whipping cream to make it more stabilized and give it a good volume. This is a top secret in the leading restaurants, which they use it as a whipping cream to get ready and stabilize within minutes. Stop blending as soon as you see some peaks coming out. So that means the cream has been perfectly stabilized and it's ready to go. You can also add in vanilla essence in a liquid form if you do not have the powdered one. Here I am immediately transferring the cream into the piping bag. If at all you need to keep it safe, then just keep it inside the refrigerator. Do not keep it outside. Here I'm just randomly doing some designs, nothing peculiar or particular. My kids wanted some greeting card 3D designs, which they have been demanded well in advance. So that's what the design was preferred by them. You can do any kind of designs, keep it simple or make it more messier. That's okay, just a cake. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and stay connected. So my cake is ready with its whipping cream. It's completely eggless. Oops, that's my little one trying to reach the cake. I hope you all enjoyed watching this delicious, super moist, red eggless cake, red velvet eggless cake recipe today. If you enjoyed watching this video today, please give us a thumbs up and do share this recipe with your friends and family. We are open for suggestions under the comment section below. Stay connected. Thank you so much.